The year is 2025. The Toyota Celica GT, a name synonymous with affordable performance and iconic design, has returned. This isn't a mere nostalgia trip. The 2025 Celica GT isn't here to reminisce about past glories. It's here to forge a new path, building on the legacy of its predecessors while embracing the future of driving excitement. From the moment you lay eyes on its sculpted lines to the instant the turbocharged engine roars to life, the 2025 Celica GT makes one thing abundantly clear: the legend is back and better than ever. Get ready to experience the rebirth of an icon. Under the hood of the 2025 Celica GT beats the heart of a true performer. A turbocharged 2-litre 4-cylinder engine pumps out an impressive 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, making every drive a thrilling experience. A slick 6-speed manual transmission offers the ultimate in driver engagement, allowing you to row through the gears with mechanical precision. For those who prefer a more effortless experience, a sophisticated 8-speed automatic transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts and seamless power delivery. No matter your choice, the Celica GT delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and rewarding. Buckle up and hold on tight. The 2025 Celica GT is a masterclass in handling. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures that power is sent to the wheels that can put it down most effectively. For those who demand even more grip, an optional all-wheel drive system is available, providing unparalleled traction and stability in all weather conditions. The Celica GT's secret weapon is its adaptive suspension system, which can be adjusted on the fly to suit your driving style and the road conditions. The steering is sharp and precise, providing excellent feedback from the road. The brakes are powerful and progressive, inspiring confidence with every stop. The tuned exhaust system emits a throaty growl that rises to a satisfying roar as you climb through the revs. Section 4. A feast for the eyes. The 2025 Celica GT is a head-turner, a car that commands attention wherever it goes. Its low-slung athletic stance hints at the performance that lies beneath the surface. The front end is dominated by a large honeycomb grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving the Celica GT a predatory stare. The LED taillights, inspired by the Celica's heritage, leave a lasting impression as you watch this modern classic disappear into the distance. Section 5. Cockpit of Dreams. The interior of the 2025 Celica GT is a driver-focused cockpit designed to enhance the driving experience. As you slide into the supportive sport bucket seats, you're greeted by a digital instrument cluster that provides all the information you need at a glance. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, providing access to navigation, music, and communication features. Whether you're blasting down a back road or embarking on a long road trip, the Celica GT's interior provides a comfortable and engaging environment for both driver and passenger. Section 6. Safety and Technology, a seamless fusion. The 2025 Celica GT is not just about raw performance, it's also packed with advanced safety and technology features designed to keep you protected and connected on the road. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, a suite of driver assistance features that includes lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and more. The Celica GT seamlessly integrates technology to enhance the driving experience without distracting from it. Section 7. The Celica GT, a love letter to driving enthusiasts. The 2025 Toyota Celica GT is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a celebration of driving in its purest form, a car designed for those who live for the open road and the thrill of the drive. This is a car for those who appreciate the art of driving, who understand the joy of a perfectly executed heel and toe downshift, or the satisfaction of carving through a corner with precision. If you're someone who yearns for the golden age of driving, then the 2025 Toyota Celica GT is the car for you. Welcome back to the driver's seat. The legend has returned.